mai koutou, ko mea tuku ingoa. My name is Mia.
And Morena WINTON SCHOOL. Kua Annika ahau. I'm Annika. Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news.
Today is Raapa, the 8th of May.
Right on to health and safety news.
The signs are out. Make sure you look out. The grass is muddy. We don't want you grubby.
Who greeted someone yesterday using sign language?
Today's sign is teacher.
Onto te Kupu or te Wiki.
Today's saying is Neke Mai.
Neke Mai means shift closer. Onto Sunsmart news.
The Uv Sunsmart Index for today is medium.
Onto today's notices.
A reminder, the field across the road is now out of bounds until term 4.
Can all kapa haka students meet in the hall at lunchtime today with your kai?
The bike shed area, the ramp going down to the bike shed in the staff parking lot, is now out of bounds.
During break times, do not cross the red line outside Mr Wadsworth's office. Do not go around the very end of the building down by the nature area, and do not go through the building and use the ramp that goes down to the bike shed.
Can all Year 6 coding students meet Oliver in the library at lunchtime today with a laptop?
Any students from Year 5 to Year 8 interested in entering science fair, please meet Mrs. Kohler in the library at morning tea today.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Kate in room 10 and Malachi in room 13, who shared a birthday today.
We hope you have a great day.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can either rewatch the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's all for the WINTON School news. Thank you for tuning in. That's all from me, Ka kite popo.
And that's it from me. See you tomorrow, WINTON School.